Ambiguous refers to something not clear, having multiple possible meanings. Synonyms include uncertain, unclear, and equivocal, while antonyms are obvious, plain, clear, and unequivocal. Compact can describe something closely packed or small, like a dense object or a small case. As a verb, it means to compress or squeeze together. In a different context, it refers to an agreement between parties. Antonyms include enormous, humongous, and bulky, highlighting the contrast with larger, less dense items. Earmark as a verb means to set aside resources for a special purpose, like reserving funds for a project. As a noun, it refers to marking an animal's ear for identification or an identifying feature. Synonyms include reserve for the verb and trait or attribute for the noun. Implement, as a noun, refers to a device or utensil used for a specific purpose. As a verb, it means to put something into effect, fulfilling or achieving a goal. Synonyms include fulfill, accomplish, and apply, highlighting its role in executing plans or tasks efficiently. Indisputable means something that is beyond question or argument, definitely true. Synonyms include irrefutable, undeniable, and incontestable. In contrast, antonyms are questionable, debatable, and arguable. Scant describes a situation where resources are barely sufficient, often leading to challenges in meeting needs. Synonyms include inadequate, meager, and skimpy, highlighting the limited nature. In contrast, antonyms like abundant and plentiful suggest a surplus, emphasizing the disparity between scarcity and excess. Stealthy actions are characterized by being sneaky and underhanded, aiming to avoid detection. Synonyms include sly and furtive, while antonyms are open, direct, and above board. Strapping describes someone who is tall, strong, and healthy. Synonyms include sturdy, husky, brawny, athletic, and hefty, highlighting physical robustness. In contrast, antonyms like weak, frail, fragile, and puny emphasize a lack of strength. It helps in accurately describing physical attributes. Thrive means to grow vigorously, both in health and wealth. Synonyms include flourish, blossom, and prosper, indicating robust development. In contrast, antonyms like wither and fail suggest decline. It helps in recognizing patterns of success and growth in various contexts. Titanic describes something of enormous size, strength, or power. Synonyms include gigantic and huge, while antonyms are tiny, miniature, and diminutive. It helps in recognizing the scale and impact of objects or events.